Bubby and Bud here. Welcome to our crib. Over here we got places for activities and TV. Over there we got our billiards table for all the fellow boonies to get out there and just hit some pockets. You know. Here we have. Next we got we got some water features outside for all the girlies to get wet in.
Buffalo, Jimmy. This is actually Bubby and Bud's cousins from Puerto Rico.
We got John and Escobar. Off to the master bedroom. In case, you know, like you want to get wet during like a photo shoot or something, it's okay. It's so cool. Ow. I like that cool, though.
Oh. Could be doing backflips up that king for days. You're gonna jump?
Yeah. Welcome to my crib. Hell yeah, boy! Out of here. We Oh yeah.
Bubby and Bud out here. Bud's about to destroy this TV with a hammer. That's how it's done. This is how you properly get the metal shavings off of a drill press. We're gonna have to edit this out.
Out here in the boonies, we chugging for the boonies. Bubby, Bud, and Ado out here putting we're putting the good old fog lights in on my truck. I used to work at a company called Rigid Industries, and I'd be really tired if they sponsored us and gave us some free lights and maybe a free Can-Am. That'd be dope.
It's not a sponsorship yet.
I fucked him up and I don't know the song, but that's okay, 'cause I got a big dong. Bobby, I was hanging out with this girl the other day and she told me she likes it when I play with her bells. About to roll up on the good old Pavilions car meet. See what's popping.
Where? That is not the demon, you idiot. You idiot. That's not even a Hellcat, idiot. Look at all the rice.
That's all muscle, Bubby.
That's all rice, dude.
That's all muscle. What are you talking about?
Rice, 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 rice.
Look at all this rice. This is a bucket of rice.
Oh, yeah.
This guy's got it recorded, but we just rolled up to the good old car meet. It smells like...
I can't even take a video. Oh, listen to that.
Look at the low life right there. Ooh.
Listen to that bird over there.
amount of Chippewas at this meet is insane.
So, if this video reaches 40 likes, I will give away the sticker. Oh! Oh! Bubby heard a diesel. That's not even a diesel.
That's a single cab Ram. Jesus Christ.
Woo. Oh my God, that's not even a diesel. It's a Hemi. Bubby here, all by myself now. Bud's over there. Oh, he's running. Oh, he's getting hit by a car. Oh my God, it's red. I see a wild monster! Woo! That's a Chewbacca for you. Hell yeah, bud!
You dickhead.
Holy shit. That's a fucking skedaddle for it.
You're talking smack that nobody over here knows how to send it.
Bubby and Butter sitting on this wall,
They don't
man.
understand that they got Bubby and Butter.
And they're like saying roll coal to all these new diesel trucks that can't even roll coal because they have cow piss in their tanks. Bubby and Bud here. We,
Shine the light bar on all the people and sit on the wall.
how you gonna do that?
Just shine it out.
We're gonna blind everyone sitting on that wall over there. Oh, with that. Once again, not a sponsor for Rigid Industries, but it'd be great if you did. Look at that. Those things are gnarly. The Odge is pushing it. How much do you think the Odge is pushing? 530? How much do you think she's pushing?
Pushing a cool like 545 to the wheel.
545 to the wheel, because we have this huge cool air intake right here. And we have this right here. This actually isn't a fan. We took the fan out and put a turbo in, so it's actually a 43-inch turbo.
With the 56 millimeter supercharger we got going here, along with the Pro Charger and all of its cool liquids right there. So essentially we're pushing about 1700 to the wheel and like 9500 to the crank.
Yeah. What's your quarter mile time?
I run the quarter in about 4.1.
Yeah. She's a sleeper, man.
Alright, Bud and Bubby here. We got some great news coming up.
Video.
We're going to be revealing it next video, and I think my camera's dying. But anyways, yeah, it's going to be exciting. All you fellow boonies, best follow and see.
Don't cut us off in the Odge with the light bars. If you ever see a friggin' black Dodge Ram with a bunch of lights on it, don't cut it off. We don't play no games out here. Anyway, like Bud was saying, finish it off.
Just remember, stay fucking gorgeous and have a good one.
Beautiful. Shred the boonies.
Peace out.
Stay tuned.